In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make beautiful AI images like this and turn them into t-shirts and posters that you can sell online and make you some bags. Let's go. So first, let's start with creating the image. You can go into MIDJOURNey AI. You can create an account and you typically have a free 25 image limit, and after that you have to get like a subscription. Like it's basically like $10 every month before you can do like 200 images a month. And so we're gonna start by creating the image first. So let's think of, let's say for example you want to start a meme page for like a dog niche, but like you want to be specific and say a Chihuahua. So let's create a prompt in MIDJOURNey and create like an artistic image of like a Chihuahua, and let's see what we can create. So let's say an elegantly dressed Chihuahua from the let's do from the Renaissance era, if I can spell that. Renaissance era. Renaissance era. An elegantly dressed Chihuahua from the Renaissance era. And then we'll say it's a portrait, and we'll say with how we put it, like what kind of look the rich people give, like a snobby look, snobby facial expression. And then it's gonna be rustic. That's just a style that I like. It's gonna be retro, and it's gonna be hyper realistic as well. And then we're gonna set the aspect ratio to 2:3. And if you don't understand what I'm doing, you can go watch my other video where I kind of explain MIDJOURNey AI prompts for like beginners, and how you can up your prompt game and have more accurate and precise results with MIDJOURNey. So I'm gonna send this, and let's see what it's gonna create. And this is the tool I used, which I also talked about in my other video, that you can use to get ideas, on other design style for MIDJOURNey. It's a GitHub repository, and I'll leave the link in the description. You can use it to kind of, get more ideas on how you can better your prompts and give more accurate prompts. So because it's all dependent on your prompts. The more precise your prompts are, the better the result will be with MIDJOURNey AI. But you can see lovely. You can see how great it looks, giving that snobbish look, like I don't care. Absolutely lovely. Now what I would also like to do is upscale the fourth one, and let's see, how's the first one and the third one and the second one. You can see an image like this. You can create an image like this, and you can put it in as a poster, and you can sell that poster on Etsy, or you can use it to create a t-shirt, and you can sell the t-shirt on a meme page or whatever. So this is the second one. But I want to see the other one. This one still processing. So let's say we choose this one, right? Although I want to wait, you can see how detailed it is because of the the prompts that I used, the description I used, gave it, a very detailed look, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna save it, and what I'll do is, if I'm creating a poster or like a wall art, I probably would just leave it like this, and then go to this place called Gelato, or if you want Printful. I'm only using this because it has a nice interface for me to be able to design the t-shirts and stuff, but I probably will use Gelato. Printify, sorry. So let's see, choose products, and we're gonna use a wall art, and let's say we pick the wooden framed wall art, right? This one. Let's say we pick this one, and we picked a very huge one, more skinny. Oh no, not this. No, vertical is what I'm. There you go. Yeah, something like this, and we use. Let's say we use something like this, right? And so we design our print, and we go to files, choose files. We're gonna extract and downloads. Have I downloaded it already? Yeah. Wait, no. Okay, no, I don't think I've downloaded it. Oh yeah, I did. This is another design I did, by the way, but on my device, we're gonna go to desktop. We're gonna go over here, and we're gonna drag and drop it right here. Oh, you gotta give me a more high definition. This is low definition. I know I did that. There you go. So you can see, you can put it as a poster. Let's see, product. Let's change it to black instead, or dark wood. There you go. And you can have this, and you can take this to Etsy official website, and then go to create an account on Etsy. Go to wall arts. As you can see, there are a lot of people who are probably doing the same thing or similar things right here. As you can see, it might be an AI generated art, who knows, but you basically create your image, come over here to this, export this, and post it on Etsy and sell it. Or you can, and then while you're selling on Etsy, you can use your meme page from Instagram or TikTok to kind of drive traffic to your Etsy account, where people can purchase this. Or if you can leverage MIDJOURNey and all of this text to image AI arts to start a business and make some money. And so that will be all, guys. This is another one you can use as a poster, although it has 2 noses, but still. And so, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.